The last problem is, it's always the trickiest problem, isn't it? I do that. That's mean of me, but I do. Um, this one has a couple different things that we have to be careful of, and I put it in here because I want to address these tricky situations. It's not that the process we're doing is wrong. It's that we really have to be very careful about what the problem says to start with. So this says 10 times something, y, we don't know, minus, and we got these parentheses here. And that's weird because there's no number in front of the parentheses. So what's the point of having the parentheses? This is a lot like having a 1 there. Because it's 1 times anything is just anything. So it's 1 times. Instead of having a 2 or a 3, I think in the past problem, in front of the parentheses, there was a -2 here. It's the same idea, except now instead of a -2, got a -1. So the 1 didn't show up in the problem, but it's there. It's sneaky in that there is a 1 there, because 1 times anything is anything. So that 1, we can always do times 1. And that's a sneaky spot to put a 1. 4y plus 8 equals -20. Let's distribute this -1 through. Let's get rid of those darn parentheses. 10y, let's see, -1 times 4 is -4y. So really, these parentheses weren't necessary. It was kind of like having a -4y there. But then let's look at the next part. -1 times 8. -8. Tricky. Equals -20. Okay, now I can combine things together. So 10y minus 4y is 6y. 20. Now I have combined things together, so I'm going to deal with any adding or subtracting first. 6y, I haven't touched the 6 yet. -20 plus 8 is -12. And if I divide both sides by 6 to isolate the variable, I get that y equals, -2. And that's how that one was done.